accommodation in just 25 Malaysian ringgit, or you can simply say $5. Here is the building in which I am staying from last 4 days, and you won't believe that I am just paying 24 ringgit Malaysian ringgit per day. So I said I should give you a visit. I should show you the place. You can see at my back there are a 24/7 restaurant as well. There is a coffee shop as well. There is a swimming pool as well. There is a gym as well. So in 24 ringgit, I think it is a very good deal. So let me show you the area, the room, the facilities that I got in 25 ringgit. Yeah, it is not inside main Kuala Lumpur city, just 4 kilometers away, but man, it is worth it. So here is our today's lunch. Very difficult to describe your preference.
Is it hold on? Is it hold?
I don't know what it is, but I will eat and then I will tell you. Here we have mailboxes, so you will get key from here, and then again you have put it back here. These all are mailboxes. The view from our floor, which is 21st, and here you can see, my god, amazing view. Like the weather is good and lush green. You can see, even I will show you the view from the top. You can easily get the view of Twin Towers. So here is the room. Here is a bed, okay, for 2 people. There is a drawer, there is a LED, and here you have a table. It's going to work. Here is microwave. There is fridge, and there is washer. You have the geyser. You have the, all the things that you need. So yeah, see, AC was also there. It was working good. Fan was also working. There is also a ventilation window. So now it's time to show you the swimming pool, which is on floor 2. Yesterday I couldn't use it, but today here I am, and I will be using the swimming pool and also the gym, because they have a gym facility as well and also swimming pool facility. So here I am inside it. The water should have been hot, but it's cold. You can see this is the big pool that they have. There is a small one as well for the kids. And here is the view. Let me show you the view. How is the view here? If it took full, on the top of the building, the view would have been much better. But here is the view that we have. A limited view of the mountain. There is a mountain there, you can see. The water is not that much hot. It's cold. So they also have a business lounge here, also the meeting areas here. See, if you want to work, you can easily work here. You can see people are working here with their laptops. If you are a business owner just like me, you can come here, you can sit, and you can do your work easily. So let me show you the gym. So here we are on the roof lounge. It's like floor 42. So it started raining before we wanted to explore it. So let me show you in the rain, like how is the view. There are different viewpoints here, like all the at the sides you can come and you can see whole city from here. Yes, see this. There you can see the top buildings, the tallest buildings of Malaysia. See this. So you can sit, you can relax here. I have been coming here from last 2-3 days, sitting here, taking all the fresh air, and also the weather is very good here. As you can see, like it's been raining, it's been like, you know, really nice to see traffic from here, cars going, also greenery. The mountains are also here, top buildings. Even see, you can see the Mardika tower as well, the second largest building just at the back. If you can see, it's time to share all the details about the visa, about my flight experience. So let's start with the visa for Pakistanis especially.